Yeah, baby.
Hi, Lloyd.
Hey, Jim.
Hey, where are you guys? Hey, Jim, where are you? Where do you guys go? What are you guys doing down there? You guys, I swear, I can't leave you alone for a second. Okay. I can't take my eyes off you. Today, hey, how's it going? We're going to be getting the Z4 out of the garage. It's been in here since October 11th when I brought it in for the Hollywood Smokeout episode. You should watch it if you haven't. Today, I'm actually going to get it back out of the garage. I'm going to clear the computer. I'll show you that in 1 second. Then we're going to get it the hell out of here. And then we're going to wash it. And we're going to wash, I think we're going to wash the 652. And I'll do that stuff on time lapse. So it'll happen like that. And don't forget your safety glasses. Always wear your safety glasses. With any luck at all, this will be the last time I have to do this with this car. Because this time, it's going to work and it's going to pass smog. Wait, I know how we can find out for sure. Oh, Magic 8 Ball. Is this the final cure? Will the Z4 pass smog after this effort? Come on. It says it is decidedly so. Yay! See? I told you this is going to work. Okay, so let's get on with this. You have to open up this little door right here. And then I have my lovely Harbor Freight scanning tool. And let's see about plugging it in. I'll try not to grunt so much this time. Okay. There, that's better. Okay, so I've got it plugged in. Now I'm going to turn on the ignition. Okay. So I've turned it all the way on, but I have not started it. And it's linking slowly, fastly. Okay, so nothing's changed because I did actually clear it before, but I'm going to clear it again. So, going to wrap. Erasing clears all, yes. 1 moment, please. So we're absolutely erasing it again. The battery was disconnected for a long time, a couple weeks, and so this should rest. Okay, and now it should look pretty much just the same as it did a minute ago. With all, yeah, those guys. And these are all red because we've reset it. So now we have to drive the car for all of these to go through their diagnostic tests and turn green. Fuel, catalyst, evaporative. That one on the far right on the top is, I think that's the one that's been killing us. O2, all the rest of them have been cleared. It's pretty sure it's just this one that's been coming back on for us. I don't know what I just did there. Yeah. Okay. Well, it's all back to normal here. So I'm going to disconnect this thing and start this baby up, get it out of the garage, and wash it. I bet you can't wait! Pretty much ready to wash the car. I can't, where'd you guys go? Where'd I put you? Well, I'm gonna, oh, there you are. Ugh, I can't believe you guys. This is my, car wash bucket. I really can't take my eyes off you for a second. Okay, so, I'm gonna put you up from a nice spot that you see I have rigged right there. Put you on hyperlapse and wash the car with my trusty Harbor Freight. They really should sponsor me. My Harbor Freight pressure washer. I think it was $69 or something like that. I'm gonna put my safety glasses back on before I start. Worked up a sweat there. So it's pretty clean as far as it can go. You know, the paint job on that car, it's pretty rough. I think it was applied by something the equivalent of maybe Earl Scheib, something like that. And it's the original color, but it's just terrible. It was flaking off. If you watched earlier videos, you saw where I took the front bumper off and I repainted it because there was a big section of paint that had just flaked off. And it's doing that in a few other places, and it's just crap. It's crappy. So I was thinking, it's a fairly small car. There's no big roof or anything like that to worry about. So I was thinking it might be fun to paint this thing, to do a little prep. There's a few door dings I wouldn't mind fixing. And I know it's certainly not going to help the value of the car any. It'll just be for fun. But if that's going to be the case, then we can paint it any color I want. If I decide to paint it, that is. I should probably just sell it. Anyway, I'm going to move it and bring the 650i in. It's filthy. And do a quick wash job on that. But you can't wait. Yeah, this 650i, it's pretty awesome. It needs a little bit of love. Let me show you. You know, it's ultra dirty, but we're about to take care of most of that. Big issue is the paint on the back bumper here. It's all the clear coat is just peeling off like crazy. So you know what that means. I'm going to have to at least take the back bumper off and repair the paint there, but then it's got issues in its paint. Oh, little chips and stuff all over the place. So, you know, maybe if we paint the Z4. No. We're not going to paint this car. I don't think. We're probably not going to paint any cars. Don't worry, honey. But this is an awesome car. Look at this thing. manual transmission. V8. Yeah, this thing is fun. Blah, blah, blah. Time to wash it. It's such a beautiful car, but it's got some issues, like this windshield is pretty rough. It's got a bunch of scratches from somebody running a worn out windshield wiper on it. So I don't know if it can be saved and buffed out or if I should just get a new windshield. All of this windshield trim is messed up and kind of pulling away in places, and all the black is coming off of it. So I might just need to get a new windshield, I guess. Well, there we have it. Driving the Z4, putting the first few miles on her since the reset. It's probably going to have to go 125 to maybe 150 miles before everything's good and it's ready to go for a smog check. I'll be checking on it as we progress. Currently, we have put about 2 miles on it and no check engine lights, so woohoo! And 2 of the dirtiest cars are now the 2 cleanest cars. So, but even so, when you have 7 cars, hey, thanks for watching.